Hey guys, it's Lisa here. I've been receiving a lot of questions asking me how to make those really cool Bitmoji movies if you do not have iMovie. Well, you can actually use Google Slides, which is a free program. You don't have to have an iPhone. This is going to be the first video of a two-part series because in the first video, for those of you who are not familiar with adding animation to your Google Slides, I'm going to show you how to do that. Then in the second video, I'm going to show all of you then how to take that slide presentation and use an extension called Screencastify to then make your presentation into your little Bitmoji movie. So here we go. This is a slide presentation that I used for mine. So you see the graphics, you see my little Bitmojis. Really quickly, I'm just going to go to another slide presentation that I had already started. Okay, I want to put a background in. I'm going to stick with the same type of theme. So I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to search the web. You see already I have the word galaxy popped up over here. Okay, and I'm just going to look really quick. I like this one. So I'm going to double click. It's going to pop up on my slide. And I'm going to stretch it to fit my slide. Okay. Once it's all in, I'm going to come up and go to my Bitmoji icon. Okay, I want the girl in the rocket. So I'm going to right click, copy, and then paste. So now, just in case you've missed a previous video where I showed you how to flip this, if I wanted it in the other direction, I'm going to right click, go to rotate, and I'm going to rotate her horizontally, so then she's going to turn in the other direction. Okay, so here we go. I have my Bitmoji there. She's flying through space. And now I want to add my thought bubble up here. So I'm going to go up to shapes. I'm going to go to callouts. This is the one that I used in the other example that I showed you. Okay, I'm going to go here. Okay, we're just going to write hello everyone. There we go. I prefer a bolded print. You can increase the font, you can change the font, you can change the color, the background color of your thought bubble here if you really wanted to. You just gotta come up here to fill color. I'm gonna keep mine white. And then if you see this little tiny yellow dot down here, this is in case you want to stretch the pointer part of your word bubble, you see? And I can move it to the right, left, I can stretch it out or I can make it shorter. Okay, these you can also rotate. So you can right click on these and rotate them the same way that you do with your Bitmojis. Okay, now we're going to add some custom animation here. So what I want to do is I actually want her to be flying straight. So I'm going to turn by clicking this dot. Okay, and then I'm going to have her end over here because I want it to look like she is flying across the page. And you'll see this. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm going to click on my spaceship and come up here to where it says animate. Okay, you'll see it comes over on the side and that you'll see the little tiny icon of my spaceship that I'm going to put the animation for. So I want this to fly in from the right side. Okay, it's going to fly in from the right side and I want it to do it automatically. So where it says on click, I don't want to have to sit there and keep clicking through to make all my animations happen. So I'm going to put after previous. Okay, and I want my word bubble to follow. So I'm going to click the word bubble. I'm going to add an animation for that as well. And you'll see the little word bubble icon pop up. So you know that you're doing the animations for the correct item. And I want that to fly in from the right as well. But that one, I want it to happen with the previous because I want them both to come in together. Okay, so that's the other option that you have there. And I just want to go back and I want to make sure. So if you scroll down, you'll see here, okay. that's going to come in really fast. And I want her to come in a little slower. So I'm going to put it like right in the middle. And then we'll see if I am actually able to get them both to go at about the same speed. Okay, that should be about right. Okay, now if you're wanting to see if everything, the formatting is done correctly, you're just going to hit the play button and it's going to show you what animations you've added. So you'll see here, yep, perfect. There we go. Hello, everyone. Okay, and it looks like she's flying across the page. I could have actually slowed that down a little bit, but I just want you to see exactly how to do this. And the same thing with your slides. If I wanted, see up here's a picture of the little slide icon. If I want this to kind of, we're gonna have it cube in, okay? And let me just show you what that looks like. So, yep, I'm gonna cube in, and then my animations will happen automatically. Okay, so just really quickly, I'm going to come back here. I'm gonna hit present, just so you can see what this looks like. Now here on this page, you're going to have to click after each slide is finished. That is why you must use the extension Screencastify if you want to turn it into a movie. Otherwise, you could just upload it like this. Okay, that's also another thing that's really good if you actually have Microsoft PowerPoint, because then you don't have to worry about clicking between slides. You can have it set automatically to do it on its own. Right now, I'm actually having to click. So here I am. I'm descending from space. Okay, we're now in the county and the town. I'm going to be landing in front of my building. Okay, schools and teachers. Whoa, there I am. And we're sad because we're missing our students. And if you're curious how to do like that tie-dyed looking background, I do have another video that you can watch that will show you exactly how to do that. We're sad, but we know we'll all be back together again soon. And that, of course, makes us happy. So you see I can have them pop in and then out. Because you can do more than one animation per image. So I can just keep clicking next image and then, or I'm sorry, next animation or add animation. So I can have something come in and then I can program it to go out. And there we go. Hashtag Griffin Strong. That's our mascot. So I hope that this video helped all of you. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video and then tune in with us for the next one if you want to figure out how to use Screencastify to make your Google Slides presentation into your Bitmoji movie. Thanks for joining.